Hey Natalie, what are we doing?
Electrical engineering.
Oh yeah? What are we trying to make?
Interior illumination.
So, we're currently working on some corner cabinets, and that's a separate project. But as a part of that, I thought what would be cool is to put some lighting on the inside of the cabinet and then have it kick on and off at night so that things that are in the cabinet would be illuminated. So, I've been looking for an excuse to use some of these LED strip lights. They come super cheap, and you can, pull a sticky back off and stick them on anything, which makes it convenient. But the wrinkle is you'd have to turn the lights on and off. So you could use something like a timer, but then you'd have to either adjust the time throughout the year, or it's always going to kick on at 6 whether it's dark or not. So I thought it would be cooler to have an automated system that would calculate sunrise and sunset so that it would adjust throughout the year, so it's always at daybreak and sunset. So we got some parts, and we're going to put this thing together and test it out and probably learn a few things along the way. What do you say? You ready?
Yeah.
All right, high five. Jack, get your head out of the camera.
Ooh, what's this?
That is power supply. This is the controller.
A new remote.
Remote for the controller. And extension cord for the power supply.
I think I should clip this off.
Yes, the resistance, or however you say it. LED strip lights. A whole roll of this stuff. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use this thing. It's called an Arduino. It's a little programmable microprocessor board. And we can program it with some automation software, which is going to take a real-time clock chip, which will stick on here. It'll tell me the time. Software will calculate sunrise and sunset, and then when it's sunset, keep the lights on. When it's sunrise, keep the lights off. And because that changes throughout the year, it'll automatically adjust. So it's not just 6 turn on, 8 in the morning turn off. It's actual sunrise and sunset. Snip both these things right there. Gonna be kind of tough. Go, crank. Oh, you got it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now, let's make sure that we get continuity. Okay, good.
That's really cool.
So we're going to take this voltage converter and we're going to solder it in line with the plug, and that'll get the voltage for the Arduino 9 volts at once. So I'm going to stick the leads onto the inside, and then we're going to solder these connections. This is a soldering iron. It's hot. I'm going to take care of this part. What you're going to do is you're going to use this. This is the solder, and you're going to take this long piece, and then when I show you where to point it, you're going to hold it like this, and then you're going to put this end where I show you, and then when you stick it there, it's going to melt and it's going to stick to the wire. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're going to do this side first. Okay. So get the solder on there. Okay. Give me a little more. Keep feeding it. A little more. Perfect. Other side. Perfect.
Feel it, Dad. I bet it's hot. Is it hot?
It's fine. Okay. Now you can take the clippers, and we're going to cut off the loose ends here. You see them sticking out?
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and clip them. Everybody know about your candy. Okay. Alright. So if we plug this thing in, now we need to set the voltage. We need to set it at 9 volts.
9 volts?
So here's what you're going to do. You're going to monitor. Now hold this onto the outside of this barrel plug. Okay?
Right here?
Yep. And now, what's it say right now?
11.
We want 9 volts.
Yeah.
And then we just turn the potentiometer on the board.
Where's 9?
Well, I gotta change it first. Okay? I'm turning down the potentiometer, and you should see the number starting to change. Whoa, whoa, it dropped a lot. All right, get the lead back on there. It has to be touching it. All right, tell me when I get to 9.
9. No.
Not quite. It's jumping around a little bit. It went back under.
9. Is that 9? That's 9 o'clock.
It's not 9 o'clock. It's 9.00 volts. All right. So
Okay.
with this, so we got the voltage set. All right. Let's see. Let's power up the old Arduino. See if we get the blinky light.
Yeah.
Hey, lit up. All right. So power supply is good.
Yeah.
So now we need to go to part B.
Part B.
And we need to wire in this relay.
Are we all done soldering?
No. That's pretty good. Just keep it in there. So these contacts are normally open or normally closed. We want the normally open one so that when we activate it, it closes. So take a little screwdriver.
Hey.
I'm just showing you. Okay, see these 2 terminals here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna back them out. We're gonna stick the wires in there and then you're gonna screw it tight.
Okay.
Okay, let me snug it up. Check it. They're not loose. Okay. All right.
Ah! I did it really tight.
So, now for review, we have power coming in the splitter. We have the voltage regulator for the Arduino. We have the relay switching the power for the controller. So now it should be a simple matter of plugging everything in. All right. Let's power it up and see if the magic smoke comes out.
What magic smoke?
The magic smoke that makes it work. If it comes out, then it's toast.
Let's go.
Okay, so it's powered up, but we haven't programmed it yet.
Let's do it now.
All right, let me get my confuser.
Not computer. Computer.
It's the confuser.
Confuser? What's the confuser?
I wrote a simple program that will turn the relay on for 2 seconds, turn it off for 2 seconds. Once we know all the hardware works, then later on we can actually worry about timing it for sunrise and sunset. Make sense?
Yeah. Are we
Okay.
ready now?
Getting
Ready?
close.
Get close.
Pin 12. Okay, and then we're going to turn it on for 5 seconds, 5,000 milliseconds, and then turn it off for 5,000 milliseconds, and I think that's it. You ready?
Yeah.
Upload. Now it's got to compile.
I just won't move.
Did you? It's taking a sweet, sweet time. Oh, closer.
Can I do it now?
Hold on. We got to, you'll hear it click. Still uploading. Hey, it works! Alright, so off for 5 seconds. Alright, give it a different color. See what you got. Yeah, wait till it turns back on. You have the red. Quick, do it! Oh, it's red. Cool, huh?
Yeah. Can you turn it off? Can you turn the light off so they can really see it?
Alright, so there we have it. We have an Arduino controlling a relay, which ultimately is turning the power on and off to the lights. So now it's just a simple matter of writing a bunch of code to take the time, figure out daylight,
Hey, it looks like blue.
yada yada yada, and synchronize it between the 2 cabinets so there'll actually be 2 controllers talking to each other. But I think we've got it all figured out.
I hate yellow, but green.
Alright, so Natalie, did you learn something?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh? A little bit of electrical stuff, and we can take control of the lights and make it do whatever we want. So I think this is going to be a pretty cool little gizmo once we get it all done. So I guess that's about it for now. And since it's past your bedtime, I suppose we should put you to bed. Good night, Natalie.
Good night.